Hello students, welcome back to your art and craft class. So today we are here again with a very wonderful activity based on Christmas Day. Yes students, as we know that on 25th December we celebrate Christmas Day. So when we used to come to our school last year, we have celebrated this festival in our school by making very beautiful items, craft items. So this year also we are going to enjoy this activity by preparing a small, very beautiful, very easy craft item. So today's craft item is totally based on Christmas Day. The topic of today's activity is Christmas gift tag activity. So I have prepared one gift tag. Look at this students. I have prepared this gift tag. So we are going to make this gift tag today. It's a Santa. Yes, it's very cute and very beautiful. So this activity we are going to make, just you can use this on your Christmas tree as a decorative item. You can add this on any gift item. You can add this as a tag on it by writing your friends, your relatives, your parents if you are gifting them something. So you can use this as gift tag. So here is your activity students. You can enjoy, you can make this item very easily and you can share your activity to me. So students, for this activity the required materials are 4 colored sheets, black, white, red and light blue, a scale, a pencil, a white pen, Fevicol, scissors, a string, some cotton. Cotton is your choice, and a skin colored watercolor. So these are the required materials which we are going to use for making Christmas gift tag activity. Students, the very first step will be, on your white sheet you are going to draw the beard of Santa Claus. In this way you are going to make beard with your free hand. This shape is required to be made. So now students, after making this we are going to cut this. Be careful while using scissors. You have to cut this shape very carefully and very neatly too. So this is our cutout of beard. So now students, we are going to cut cap of Santa Claus. On your red colored sheet, these are the shapes. One is for cap, and this round circle you have to make, and we will draw snow flakes in it. Students, make sure this circle should come inside this hat or cap. Now after drawing this shape, we will cut. So students, please have a look how I have drawn this shape. So you are going to cut it like this. So see, this circle should come inside this cap like this, and we are going to draw snowflakes in it, and then we will paste it in this cap. So now students, we are going to draw snowflakes with the help of white pen. Vertical line first we will draw, then again we are going to draw 4 lines diagonally. Now on alternate lines we will draw small circles. And the lines which are left, we are going to make small arrows, inside arrows. And the lines on which we have drawn small dots or circles, just near those dots we are going to draw arrows again. And in between, where all the lines are meeting at a center, there we are going to make a circle again. This is our snowflakes. See how beautifully we have made. Now this snowflakes we are going to paste inside this cap like this. So pasting we'll do later on. First we will make all our cutouts. And in this way we are going to put this cap on this beard. We are going to paste like this. So now next part is we are going to make legs. On your light blue color we are going to draw legs like this. You just have to give shape of legs. See, this is the shape of legs. Now we are going to cut this also with scissors. This is our desired shape. So now we are going to assemble all these things together by pasting them. So students, we are going to paste them together. First, you have to put a little Fevicol on the snowflakes which we have made. Now we are going to paste this cap on the beard. Then the legs. Like this. students, on your black sheet you are going to make two oval shapes to make shoes of Santas, and if you are having a skin colored sheet, you can directly cut it in an oval shape to make the nose of Santa. But here I don't have, so I have colored white sheet with skin color, and then I have cut an oval shape to make nose of Santa. So now students, while pasting this nose, we are going to use double-sided tape. Well, now we are going to paste shoes, like this, and with the help of double-sided tape we are going to paste the nose. We have to take a little part of it so that it should get hide. Yes, so this is we have done. So now with the help of your pencil we are going to make a hole on the cap, and then we will put inside the string. So with the help of pencil, see, we have made a hole on its cap. Now we are going to put inside the string. So students, you can use any type of string, decorative string, which is easily available at your home or in the market. So in this way we are going to put, and our Christmas gift tag is ready. So here I have mentioned, initially I have mentioned that we can use cotton also. So for that I have prepared one more. See, you can use cotton like this, or you can leave it as it is. So they both are looking very nice. So students, try to do this activity and share your cutouts with me. Thank you.